Sunday Funday. We outside right now. We got Kels right here. I've not yet met him yet, but he is with Hellraising. And then, of course, we got JP with the red eye back there and the Evil Boogeyman. Got to get a little washed, so try and get that off. But we've been going at it for the past 2 days. We had Friday, we were outside, and I think that was a big meet. It was actually kind of like the old car meet, so we really had a good time there. And then yesterday, wasn't too bad, but at the end of the night, we actually had a pretty good time. Everybody swung, and really we were enjoying it. And right now, like I said, Sunday Fun Day, about to turn up, so let's see how that goes. Right now, we just came through a little bit. Hold on, he just went. I'll probably get the video for that. sunroof. All right, y'all, so as you see, we just tore it up right here in the pit. What was that? Was Playboy Scatty, Gemini, Rob, Cold-Hearted Scat. Yo, they went crazy right now, so we still outside, but I think we about to wrap it up here. It's been a good night. Hold on. Huh? Hold on. Wait a minute, because it has been an active night. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna show everybody here. But now we did have a good time. I don't know how that just happened over there. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If 3 scats don't mess up, how that happened, I don't know. But like I said, we having a good time out here, and I'm gonna catch it. Look, it's been days. We had 3 days of this, and we had a good time, as y'all see. So we gonna keep it going. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Yo, we just finished, wrapped up day 3. Been outside the whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just finished Sunday, Funday. We had a good time, not gonna lie. Right here behind me, I got Joker and Bloody Scat. I don't think I showed it before in the videos, but of course I know y'all like that. I see the stories and whatnot. But Friday we turned up. We yeah, it was some intersections, same with Saturday, kind of a little bit of a repeat, but we had a lot of sliders out, good time. Sunday, Funday, just turned up. I was not expecting that. I didn't know what we were gonna do. Had a good time. Cold-hearted set. He showed up today. We had Playboy Scatty. We had Rob. We had Gemini. Everybody was in the event. No Max. No problems, just had a good time. So, man, I appreciate y'all tapping in. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. My views are up, it's going crazy, but I need those subscribers. So please get it up, and I appreciate y'all support. I'm gonna catch y'all later.